Woodpeckers can be some of the easiest birds to photograph if you can find the nest hole. No branches in the way and plenty of activity. The trick is to find the hole, and many species will dig dummy holes, so you think you have it, come back later, and no birds. This is a white-headed woodpecker, usually found in California, Oregon, and Washington State. Both the male and the female, who bears no red, were working on this hole, so it was the right one. And the birds weren't shy at all. Tossing sawdust with abandon. They prefer large dead trees in mature, open mountain habitats like this area along the Metolius River. More widespread, but still loving the mountains, is Williamson's Sapsucker, named for Major Robert Williamson, who collected the male in 1855. The drab female was already known and called the Blackbreasted Woodpecker. 20 years passed before Henry Henshaw found a pair together and corrected the identification error. These birds prefer open pine woods with plenty of aspens. They like the soft wood of dead aspens and bore a hole so small that they have to wiggle through it. But the small hole keeps squirrels and chipmunks out. Williamson Sapsuckers are easy to find in the spring, as the male's drumming is unlike other woodpeckers. You'll have trouble finding our last woodpecker without going to a museum, as it's extinct. The Ivory-billed woodpecker was ultimately a victim of World War II. Its last documented refuge, the Singer Tract in Louisiana, was clear-cut to provide tea chests for British troops, parts for American airplanes, and by some reports, shipping pallets. Could such an abuse of a national treasure occur today? It's hard to say. But we're fortunate to have actual film shot in 1935 by Arthur Allen of Cornell University and graciously posted on YouTube by the Macaulay Library. If you haven't seen the movie of these wild-eyed birds, you owe it to yourself to step back in history. It's as if someone had discovered a home movie of Abe Lincoln. Use the link in the description of this video to find the black and white footage of real ivory-billed woodpeckers.